Is your garage door refusing to open smoothly, leaving you stranded outside your own home? You're not alone. Here in Denver, Colorado, where our garage doors face the brunt of our dynamic weather, cable damage is a common headache for homeowners. Cables play a crucial role in the operation of your garage door, and over time, tension and daily use can lead to wear and tear. Frayed or snapped cables are not just an inconvenience. They're a safety hazard too. But there's good news. You don't have to deal with it alone. Our qualified garage door repair and installation technicians are just a phone call away. Whether it's repair or a full replacement, we've got you covered. Don't let a faulty cable disrupt your day. Call us now at 1-866-992-1816 and get your garage door back in perfect shape. Remember, whether you're in the heart of Denver or anywhere in Colorado, we're here to help. Take the first step towards a hassle-free garage door. Call 1-866-992-1816 today. Your peace of mind is just one call away.